Court number 7, Girls Global 16 Under Semifinals, Pia Sabucos and Julian De Guzman and Coach AJ Badminton Training versus Tanya Manila Gumay and Joanna Hernandez, MTC and Nasal Lipan. Court number 7.